How to make Twitter account private. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make your account private on Twitter. Now, the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you'll need to do is open up the Twitter app and make sure you're logged into the account that you want to set to private. Once you're logged in, simply tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of your screen. At the top left corner, you can see a little profile icon there. Tap on it and you'll get varieties of options. If you scroll down a bit below, you can see at the bottom of your screen settings and support option. Simply tap on settings and support, and under it you'll get two different options, settings and privacy and help center. Simply head into settings and privacy, and here you can see the fifth option, privacy and safety. Now you'll have to head into privacy and safety in order to make your account private. Simply head into privacy and safety, and under your Twitter activity, tap on the first option that you can see, audience and tagging. Now you can see the first option, protect your tweets, and there you can read only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. Simply toggle the switch on and your account will be set to private, and only your current followers and people you approve will be able to look at your tweets. So this way you can make your Twitter account private. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.